Alpha Bobrisky, IDB. I want to ask you a kind question, and I want me to reply. I want to know which kind of example you dey set for the nation. This our country, Nigeria. So which kind of example you dey set? You just dey God give you prick as man. Now you just dey say you want do away with your prick. You want do away with your prick. You want the fuck like the old man the fuck. Wetin dey pain you wey make you go live that kind of life? Who set as example for you? Who you dey look unto? Because now I just dey which day for area and see one picture they show me for Instagram. I dey look the picture from bottom dey go. I dey see the waist. My mind dey go. Look now. The best he push it, I no see breast. Wetin up? See na one small like this now. One call the parade your parade. See, based say they see you now, they snap Momo recharge card for Instagram, they show people. See na dash. They snap for Range Rover Sport. You call the fee say that one follow for profession. See na better thing they do. Because they see you now, they advertise soup. So that kind of life now, you want me to call the do now for the Nigeria like this now, eh? Like a character now, you want to perform. People they be celebrity for better things, just day. See, you won't be celebrity for gay. See Davido na Aje. Normally before for area we don't say all those Aje where they bargain money, they only focus for you look back. Maybe if you go study one kind of thing, mechanic engineer, any kind of thing, they just they put them from work office, maybe they shop money. But see Davido, which is the kind of street boy self and you know if you achieve now they achieve for inside the street. You forget the papa word, they coordinate past street boy. All the born boy they assign country they coordinate. People they look onto their celebrate. Even me, I like be like them. But you now, if I sound like I go be. I call guys to go through my prick on one side. Go find way now. Maybe they whip my hand, shabby. See that one a profession. The world went. Maybe all this thing they made the world went too. For those two Sodom and Gomorrah do that way. We Baba got it, cast them with fire. Now you now got the perform for this our age. You want me the world quick end, Abby? They misbehave. To the day now they give you if you level play, they dance your dance. But Brisky have taught me this. They want ways they happy. For your mind, you be mushy. Ekpana you be. A zombie now you be well. I want to know. Because now you want people to imitate you. People now they some kind of mushy now. They want to lose guy. Before you look at Nigeria, they want to gay country. Everybody now call it perform gay parade. What the name of say Bobrisky na their mentor. Yeah, you do work well. You do work well. If for the Nigeria, don't tell you anything so like this, I won't bring out to order now like this. Now they need to see now to carry the way they do Ghana must go. Ghana political more for Nigeria, so to carry if now Bobrisky must go, they go do it. They go do it. They come out for the Nigeria. If you go to the US, all those sides they legalize gay. Maybe go to parade that kind of parade for that side. Because I don't say they give chance. They need to legalize gay for this country. Yeah? If your papa they fucking young, she go fit born you. If they do the kind of parade now, they feel born you call they go feast brace. Yeah, they come on like well. Then they tell you because I know say one day now the thing go sweet you. You call parade. Carry that your character call boss out for the wafi life. You call out to Brabi. Say you want call the door where Bobrisky say be celebrity. But if you know you go confirm now. We'll whip you better wood. You on nyash, we'll whip them come on like you see. Shit blood in their mind with them. They misbehave. They are like people, they want to reason any other thing. See them move on, they do Bitcoin, they do one or two now, they like their parade. But they won't be like them. You just they say na on nyash, you just want open now, maybe they say na on nyash, they fuck. They whip your nyash for you now. It's the get money. Yeah, they make me the verse well. I don't know what you all this Instagram people they do. I don't able to see you. They disable your account. I want me to come out you for the Instagram like this. See, because you don't want to change. I did 2027. You say you don't go change. You want the Paris so yeah, we'll find you see. The way area to the gather, they go near power office and so we'll verse full area for what year we'll gather. If not check, we'll check all area. We'll call that place, come meet you. We'll come meet you for that. We'll check more for data still come meet you. See, yeah, no worry now. No worry. Me no change first after you see this video. No change. See the parade that your parade. Your mind will do very soon. See, if you want make the world quick help you, your eye go clear. Because area I will not make the world end. Once the package you go. How much she be the one? Yeah, man, no reason. Man, lock up. Man, you lock up. But yeah, no, man, lock up. Later.